Hello everyone and welcome to the video. So in this video I will going to show you the basic code in the IDE. So without further delay, let's begin. Has include IOStream and using namespace std and followed by the semicolon, and after this we have to write the main function and followed by the parenthesis and then the curly braces. So this part is known as the body of the program. So here let's say I want to print hello. So to print anything we have to use the cout function. Cout. So in the cout we have to use our left shift operator followed by the quotation mark, and within the quotation mark we have to write the message. So let me type here hello, and remember we have to give semicolon at last. It is just like giving a full stop. And then let me type the another message, that is welcome to the world of C++, and then let's give semicolon and let's write return 0 at last. So here all this part I have already explained you in my previous video. So those who haven't watched it, please go back and watch that video and please come here. This part is the preprocessor directives, and we are including our the header file. So this is our header file. Remember here I did not use .h because it is not required in this software. Okay, that is why we need not have to use the .h header file here. We did not have to use the .h extension in the header file because this software is a upgraded version, and we have to write using namespace std. See, we are using this line just to use the predefined function that is outside the class. So for that we are using these lines, that is using namespace std, and after that this is our main function. Since it is the entry point of all the code, it is the point from where the execution of the code starts. So here I use the return type of the main function as int. So I told you that when we are using the return type as int, then we have to write return 0 at last. So this part you have to remember. Okay, yeah. So cout is used to print anything on the computer screen, so we have to write the required message within the double quotation. So here it is hello, and in the same way within the double quotation I have written welcome to the world of C++. Okay, and then return 0. So why we are writing return 0 is, it means that it is just like giving a signal that see we reach the end of our program without creating any error. Okay, so that is the purpose, that why we are using return 0 at last in our program. First you should know that if our return type of the main function, so this is our main function, right? So if the return type of the main function is int, then definitely we have to use return 0 at last. So if you don't want to use return 0, you have to make the return type of the main function as void here. Okay, so let me compile this program. So we have to click on execute. So before compiling the program, first we need to save this program. So for that I will press Ctrl S from my keyboard, this one, and we can give some unique name here. Let's say my program, program. Remember, here we need to provide the extension, and the extension for C++ program is .cpp. so this is the extension for C++ programming. So this is important. Now we will click on save. So it is successfully saved. Now we can compile our program as well as run. So directly I will click on execute, and then let me click on compile and run, or either you can press F11 from this option. Okay, from the keyboard you can press F11, right? And then let's see. Yeah, so we got the output here, hello and welcome to the world of C++. You see, so this is our output. Okay, but here the problem is that though I have written the code, the C out in two different lines, that hello and welcome to the world of C++, but as a output it is coming in the same line. So that means we have not given the next line keyword, that is /n or n line. We have to provide it. So just I will show you here. Just before the semicolon we have to write n line, endl, n line. Okay, so it means new line. So let me write in a comment section. It is means a new line. Okay, so it means a new line, new line. See, I have written the definition in a comment. So comments are nothing but it is used just for the definition inside the code, and the moment you compile the program, at that time your compiler will simply ignore the commented lines. Okay, so that is the meaning. So you can use the comment. Generally the comments are of two types, that is single line comment or the multiple line comment. So about the comments I will going to explain it in the further videos. So let me run this program again. See, now this problem is completely solved. Hello and welcome to the world of C++. It is coming in the two different lines successfully. I hope this program is clear to you. So if you have any doubt, then please mention it in the comment below, and see you in the next one. Thank you.